So this, I'm going to show you how to set up your own rider presets. So in the top menu here, or top menus here, if you go into this, it looks like the three little lines there, it'll go into where you can select the different presets you have. So from the factory, you'll have wakeboard beginner, intermediate, advanced, surf left, surf right, and these are all great settings. And then once you click it, you hit load, it goes to exactly that setting. Now let's say you want to surf at 10.9 miles per hour with 100% ballast, and you want your own rider setting in here. Right here you see new, copy, edit, delete, and load. If you just click new, it'll bring you to the menu and it'll ask you to name your preset. So I'm just going to name it Tyler Surf. And hit next. Then it's going to ask me to select the picture that I want. Let's just go with that one for now. That's just a little icon next to it. You hit next. So now it's going to say surf gate. You know, if I'm going to set up a surf setting, I'm going to turn the surf gate on. If this were a wakeboard setting or a ski setting, I would leave it in center. But since we're talking about surfing, I'm going to turn it on. I surf on the left side. I'm going to click the left button there. Next. It's going to ask me for my speed. Like I mentioned before, let's just go 10.9. I'm just throwing a number out there. You can kind of fine tune it, you know, find out what wave works best for you and go from there. Let's just say 10.9 for now. I'll hit next. Now this is going to ask me how to set up the wave. Right now it says E on every tank, which means every tank will be empty. So, you know, we're surfing, I want as much weight in here as possible. I'm going to select the tanks that I want, tell it what level I want it to go to, and then deselect the tanks and it will save them to 100%. Next. It's going to ask me where I want my wedge to be. You know, vert is going to be your most vertical, your steepest wave. Ramp is going to be your longest, more mellow wave. I tend to like it somewhere in the middle, so I usually go into one of these positions. I'm just going to click that one for now. Again, you know, as you kind of progress, as you get a little bit better, you know, you might like it over here better, and you can go in and edit your settings and fine tune it. Next, this is going to ask for your set auto volume level. Now, I typically just leave this on default, and your main system setting will be used. That way your driver has total control. So I just leave it on default and hit save. After you hit save, your most recent settings will come up right at the bottom. So if I were to add Tyler Wakeboard, Tyler Ski, those would just follow in suit right under that setting. So again, the next time I want to go surfing, I go into my rider presets, scroll down to Tyler Surf, highlight it, hit load, and everything will do or go into the exact settings that I want it to.